Great morning, great afternoon, great evening mga ka-achievers. Ka-achievers ka na kung patuloy kang nanonood at natututo sa mga video na to. And we are now on our 10th video. You heard it right. This is Achieve Mentality Coaching Session Episode 10. And my name is Coach Jeff. I'm a certified life coach focusing on helping people unleash or unlock their achieve mentality in life, work, and business. And when we say achieve mentality, this is having an achievement mindset or a mindset na nagsasabi na kaya kakayanin instead na hindi kaya. Mindset din na naniniwala na may paraan kaysa walang paraan. Ito rin yung mindset na kung saan you believe that you can be the person that you can be, you can do the things that you would like to do, and you can have the dreams that you would like to have. That's achieve mentality or that's achievement mindset. In our videos, just like what we always say, we provide inspiration, instruction, insights, and information on how you can have achievement mindset or achieve mentality in your life, work, and business. And here, I just share my experience because I was clinically diagnosed of severe sadness, anxiety, and depression. But because of my mentors, because of God, by the grace of God, and because of my support system, hindi ko po inalaw na ma-define ako ng findings na yan. And right now, I'm sharing my experience from struggling to surviving to succeeding. And hope you can learn from the videos na ina-upload natin in this platform. And since this is our 10th episode, ano nga ba ang topic natin for our 10th episode? Ang topic po natin is how to stay positive or 3 steps on how to stay positive. So, kung kayo ay inaabangan nyo yung ating mga tips, yung ating mga video, you can get your notepad, you can get your pen, your notebook, kung gusto nyo mag-jot down notes ng mga pag-uusapan natin. Ano nga ba tong 3 ways na to stay positive? Again, lagi ko sinasabi, you can think of a lot of things, you can research a lot of things, but here, I'm focusing on the things that I've learned from my experience and on the things I learned from my mentor. So ano ba to? Una, why do you need to stay positive? Maraming reason, okay? Pwedeng health reason. According sa studies, according sa science, nakakatulong if you stay positive sa health mo. Sa relationship, nakakatulong din if you stay positive. Pag sinabi nating positive is you mas inclined ka sa mga magagandang bagay na nakikita mo. Yes, tanggap mo reality na mayroong pangit na nangyayari, but you always see the silver lining or you always see na mayroong purpose kung bakit nangyayari yung mga bagay-bagay. You always see the positive side of everything. Yun yung maganda if you stay positive, okay? And alam ko na-experience yun na rin kung makausap ng mga taong laging negative. Yung konting problema lang, akala mo end of the world na. Yung konting problema lang, akala mo wala ng solusyon. Yung konting problema lang, akala mo is hindi na makakaahon, hindi na makakabangon. I'm sure, ikaw mismo na i-stress pag meron kang mga kasamang ganyan. So, how do we deal with that? How do we stay positive in the world of negativity? Di ba, pag tinignan mo yung Facebook, ang dami na mga nagko-comment, merong isang issue, pagka nagkaroon ng issue, ang daming nagko-comment, nang babash, nang totrol, or name it. Lahat na ng negativity, ang dali nang i-access sa panahon ngayon. Okay? So, how do you stay positive? Ano nga bang pwedeng gawin natin if we would like to stay positive? Okay? Number one is to believe. Kailangan may paniniwala ka na yung mga nangyayari ngayon may purpose. You need to believe that something great is going to happen. You need to believe that there's someone, I believe in God, that He is in control, He is sovereign, alam niya yung ginagawa niya, alam niya yung nangyayari sa mundong ito, and there will come a time na yung mga dapat mangyari ay mangyayari. Seemingly impossible, seemingly negative ang nangyayari sa paligid mo, but take heart, may mangyayaring positive. You need to believe on that. Kasi pag dumating yung time na wala nang naniniwala na may magandang mangyayari, paano pa tayo makikipag-relate sa tao? Paano pa tayo magkakaroon ng encouragement? Paano pa tayo makakaramdam ng comfort from other people kung lahat ng tao hindi na naniniwala that there's something good and something great that is going to happen. So if you would like to stay positive, believe amidst of people, kung ikaw man ay nasa kalagitnaan ng mga tao na hindi naniniwala that something great is going to happen. If you are in the presence of people who are doubtful, who are fearful, yung tipong wala nang nakikitang maganda in the future, you stay in your path of believing. Maniwala ka. Maniwala ka. Maraming bagay, maraming achievements sa mundong ito ang nagsimula sa paniniwala. Kung walang Wright brothers na niwala na pwede tayong lumipad, walang eroplano. 'Di ba? Kung walang mga scientists na naniwala na kaya nilang mag-invent, wala tayong mga innovation. So there's something that can happen if you just believe. And that belief can push you to do something. That belief can motivate you to pursue something that you would like to pursue. So if you'd like to stay positive, number 1 is to believe. Number 2 is to forgive. Okay? Sabi I think it was Nelson Mandela who said it, na pag meron kang unforgiveness, para kang umiinom ng poison at iniisip mo na yung taong kagalit mo, siya yung naapektuhan. Di ba ang hirap pag may kagalit ka, tapos yung kagalit mo hindi naman affected, ang saya-saya niya, lalo ka lang nadadown. So if you would like to stay positive, learn to forgive. Yes, it's easier said than done. Okay? But you forgiving is not doing the other people a favor. You're doing yourself a favor. Maawa ka sa health mo. Maawa ka sa mga panahon hindi ka makatulog. Maawa ka sa panahon na hindi ka makakain because you cannot forgive. Okay? Learn to forgive. And you will be surprised yung mga blessing, yung mga good things that can happen to you if you just learn to forgive. O baka makatulong to. There are times na parang di natin maintindihan bakit tayo na-offend. Bakit nagawa ng isang tao yun, yung isang bagay na ginawa na kinasakit ng damdamin natin. Baka makatulong tong mindset na to. Always remember that they are not difficult people, they are people with difficulty. Hindi talaga sila difficult persons, baka hindi talaga sila pasaway. May pinagdadaanan lang silang difficulty. And also, hurt people. Kadalasan, yung mga nasaktan in the past, unknowingly nakakasakit din yan. And every person has their own battles. May pinaglalabanan yan. Kaya baka ganyan ang naging attitude towards you. Kaya baka ganun ang naging action niya. Kaya ganun ang nasabi niya. Kaya ganun yung nagawa niya o hindi niya nagawa na ikinasama ng damdamin mo. Want to stay positive? Stay believing, stay forgiving. And number 3, give. Believe, forgive, give. What do you mean give? If you want to stay positive, give time to help other people. Give mentoring, give comfort to other people. Okay? Kung meron kang resources, help. 'Di ba? Instead na mag-criticize ka ng ibang tao, give something na makakatulong dun sa taong yon. That's how you stay positive. By believing, by forgiving, by giving. And what you sow, you reap. What you plant, you harvest. Hindi mo man, pero wag mo itong gagawin para magbilang ka lang ng i-harvest mo. You do it for yourself. You do it for your mental health. You do it for your mindset. Kasi minsan, pag iniisip mong gagawin mo to para sa iba, feeling mo lugi ka. But do this, decide to stay on positive for your own welfare para mas motivated kang gawin. And then, manghawa ka. In this world of negativity, kailangan natin ng positivity na meron sa'yo. So start sharing positive vibes. Okay? Again, this has been your Achievement Mindset Coach, Coach Jeff. Always wishing you, always praying for you to unleash your achievement mentality so that you can experience a joyful life, excellent work, and fruitful business. Again, we would like to see you on our next videos. If you want to suggest some topics na gusto nyo mapag-usapan natin, just comment or message us so that we will know kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pong pag-usapan natin sa mga next video natin. Alright? Thank you everyone. God bless you all and God bless you more.